And the tributes have been pouring in for Major Dudley Beek, who died in the plane crash this morning. Major Beek has been in the aviation industry for almost 60 years. He's from a family of pilots, which started with his grandfather, then his father, Victor Beek, who was the first commanding officer of the Jamaica Defense Force Air Wing, and now his sons. Now, back in 2019, Major Beek was among 3 Jamaicans awarded by the government for their contribution to the aviation industry, which included work as a pilot while serving the JDF. His work spans to the French-speaking island of Haiti, where he was part of a team of pilots who flew aircrafts to plant 133 million seeds aimed at reforesting the country.